So I made a chickpea stew because that's my business. Like so, like that.
Like so, like that, because that's my business. And I can do that if I want to. Yeah.
I know that in this channel, we usually try and make food with stuff that's already like in the cupboard. But for this, I especially had to go buy coconut milk and chickpeas because I don't just have this stuff lying around. So, oh, and baby spinach. Yes.
You feel me? You feel me?
So I'm frying some onions, and to this I'm going to add some crushed garlic and ginger. I don't have curry powder, but I do have some curry paste, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this. That smells nice. And then, since it's like an Indian dish,
Okay.
I'm gonna add some coriander. And some cumin. I'm also going to add some crushed chilies. This dish requires turmeric, but I don't have turmeric, so we move. Let me reduce the heat. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the chickpeas, which I have drained. Yeah. Let me add some salt and pepper. I have never had coconut milk in my life. I just opened it now, so I'm just gonna. It's very creamy. It smells like coconut, and it also tastes like coconut, but creamy, little sweet, but mostly bland. So yeah, I am gonna throw this in here. I've added some salt and pepper. Okay. Guess it's separated. But again, we move. So it's supposed to thicken. I like the color. Okay, so while this thickens, I will make some basmati rice. Okay, I'll just leave it to simmer with the lid open.
Stop it. Get some help.
So that liquid can thicken. So I just decided to add some paprika so it can be a little more yellow than it is right now. Yeah. It's making a little bit of a difference. Yeah, this looks better. I just feel the need to mention that this is my first vegan and vegetarian meal I've made on this channel, and I really look forward to tasting it. I've been meaning to make chickpea curry for like a hot minute now, And meat is overrated, to be honest, like, and that's on period.
Period.
So I'm trying to reduce the amount of meat I eat. I think that's more practical for me because I'm not gonna lie to myself and say I'm gonna be vegan or vegetarian. Lies. So I'm trying. Anyway, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Completely forgot to add the spinach.
I just explained the reason.
So let me add the spinach quickly. Shucks. So this is baby spinach, which I bought the other day. So yeah. Oh dear. Okay. Okay. Spinach has this thing of shrinking, so hopefully it does that. But I think I put too much, but let's see how it turns out.
Few moments later.
I tasted a little for salt, and then I added a little bit more salt, but otherwise, y'all, I have I have outdone myself. It's really good. Like, meat for who? I don't even need meat. I don't even miss meat. Meat can miss me.
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop lying.
Okay, now I'm going to make basmati rice. I've also never made basmati rice in my life, but I'm just gonna follow the instructions. Yeah, I'm just gonna follow the instructions. Okay, so this is the final thing. Basmati rice with chickpea curry or chana masala. Okay, so this is the taste test. Everything. This meal is everything.
Success.
It's got protein in the chickpea, carbohydrates in the rice, vitamins in the spinach, perfectly spicy, so warm. Very Indian-esque. I like it. I really, really, really like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That was legitness. Yeah.